We've been telling you about Volkswagen coming clean now about a dirty little secret. The company admits it installed software on millions of cars to give false emissions readings. Now, health experts say the extra pollutants in the air could pose a danger to your health. Dr. Marc Siegel joins us to explain. Doctor?
John, since 2009, Volkswagen has deliberately evaded federal emission requirements in nearly 500,000 diesel cars in the U.S. and 11 million around the world by installing what's known as a defeat device. U.S. lawmakers have now asked the company to produce all documents that demonstrate failure to comply with clean air standards.
So the really important steps that EPA and the state of California must take to enforce the law and ensure that the air quality is protected and public health is protected. A fine alone won't solve this problem and won't help Americans breathe easier.
So what can be done? The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency is planning to overhaul its procedure for testing diesel engines, John, but some experts say they need to step it up. According to Billings, we need to make sure everyone is playing by the rules because the victims are not only the owners of the vehicles, but anyone that breathes the air. So while lawyers struggle to clean up the mess, doctors will deal with health consequences. Nitrogen oxide exposure from diesel fuel leads to irritated eyes and lungs, headaches, coughing, allergies, and asthma attacks. Long term, the risks include worsening emphysema, heart disease, and even lung cancer. Children and the elderly are the most susceptible.
The individual risk is low, but the total risk across the United States is substantial because these emissions from the Volkswagens have been linked to somewhere between 40 and 100 excess unnecessary deaths per year.
John, Dr. Landrigan points out that there is a real concern here of worsening lung disease and heart disease. Those exposed may need early treatment from their doctors. John?
Lots of shoes left to drop in this story. Dr. Siegel, thank you.
Thanks, John.